tell me to say what you want to say. No, Erica, when you're not in the position, when you can't say what you want to say, you're in the position because I'm not in the lawyer tell Pan. And I've been excused. So you just come on the live and check from Jamaica, you hear it? No, you just come so that me could post. Remember the tell you from Jamaica, I hear the man that did more, and him come out, come say, but me understand you other somebody went from hold on. When any man that me call, me never interested, and me not tell himself go on where I go. Me not interested to blood clot, where you mix up. You hear the man tell you, every day say blood clot, when he tell Puss, don't know anybody Puss running. Why the reason the blood clot on the dirty man? Why me run the dirty man? Come out of the live, you suck man spin. Hold on, come out. Put my knees to calm down, because you have come on the fucking time. You get tired so nice that you attack me. You're so attack me, Puss. And it's not right, because we all move forward, Puss. That's all we are saying. We on your side. Nicole, I'm not attacking no one, I just attack facts. Me not attack you, me not attack you, me not attack yourself. Only not attack man. Only not attack when you equal the dirty blood clot, dirty man. Only not blood clot. We all agree saying ignore reports, and we all are going to ignore. Because him not say nothing new, Puss. And then we have said, Puss. We don't make it look like all the credit. We tell say everybody like your Puss. We say everybody want you win, Puss. No blood clot credit that Puss.
Good morning, good morning.
What you mean we not give you credit? I'm come out, come put your pan right there so fast before me I explain and I say Puss. I just look at you, he will come with me and move forward. And the only reason why you move forward, you my name and Nicole name. And you never had him without, we never touch him without you. Erica,
good morning.
You never need to address people. You need to not address the people. Can't tell me that. Because you just tell each and don't entertain the man. Don't I say to you, say Erica, don't entertain the man because he want. When I try to be wicked there last night, I'm not trying to do because he want to get to me. Did I say that to you? Brittany, did I say that to you?
Please calm down. Look,
alright, we had a commitment. Brittany, calm.
I know y'all are upset, but this is what he want. This was the plan from the beginning to get you guys to fight. So just calm down, both of you.
Yeah, Erica not fight.
Getting a little
out of fight. Me and Puss not fighting. That will never happen. Puss has a fight for my one. I chop me drive for a living. I mean, the chop them a fight for part them in the alley. I'm just talking.
Okay, let's just, we don't need them to have nothing else to talk about on their live. Okay,
Puss, when you can't tell what to do. And me a come from America as a friend, I'm now going to ever tell you what to do again. I'm now going to ever say nothing concerning, no. Me don't want like Hugo, don't blood card, put the blood card, cocky bomber, will call me name, and tell me lie for me, and the argument done. Me not have nothing more to say because everything what I must say appear lie. Hold on. Erica, don't me tell you say the man a liar. Don't me tell you say this man, Mr. Erica, all the man want to do, he want don't go over Uncle Dog and over and Sister Page go look people. Because he might try, I see me here there and say, you go try to make Puss jealous and way. And that only entertain him. So you could have done the same because the same time. No, don't fucking tell me that Puss. Don't tell me because that come to our live and talk about it and make the word and play the message. When blood clots in our inbox. Diary did that. And then the word system is a wicked. Alright, fair enough, Erica, but let me ask you. You trying to hear to them, Erica? I say to you, Erica, I say to you, say. I say to you, Erica, all this man is trying to do, this man is trying to make me jealous, so I'm trying to come for people near me. Right, and we get associated in a post, and you Puss say, I'm from Jamaica, the man I tell you them, something, come on, Puss. Angela just Me no want a blood clot, madman. Me friend for blood clot respect. My pussy have blood clot principle around here. And for the woman in latitude, blood clot altitude time, you know me. And one blood clot man in the call for my blood clot good pussy. I'm a nice clean blood clot, baby father. I'm a blood clot go.
Well, and there, me just wake up. Nobody could have called me. My name was Becuz in a go.
Me don't want a blood clot murderer call for my good blood clot tight clean wall. Fuck that.
To address.
It add to blood clot address.
Tell Erica say me can't talk as loud. Him called before and wake me up this morning and then him left 2 voice message. I call her some more if you want. He might get from back to work.
Yeah, your message them diary. Cause Puss say you never did a clear your name. That means if you not clear your name, you indulged it for take her ex-man behind her back. I saw you get that message there. I mean, nothing about so. Because as soon as you got approach you clear the message that clear your blood clot name.
What? She said what me did that what?
No, Puss.
Play the message diary.
You say it professor.
Just play the message diary.
Hold on. Shh. Hello.
Good morning. Wagon diary. Yeah, Erica cussed me out. Or not really cussed me out, but Jack talk of some things, you know. Put me to the ground. But it's all good. She's still my mate. Tell her to call me, man. I miss her. I'm gonna send you a message. I like what she eat everything. She look a bit honest, skin look clean, but me want to see her face. Miss her round face, and I love her laugh. Laugh is so sexy. She said she'll drive trailer. I hope God protect her and make sure still safe on the road. If you send this out, I don't really care. See me? The art wants what the art wants. To that time. Yeah? And then I take, you mean to tell me, say,
Well, I know. Me say every he wake me up, you know, because he wake me up say when the part live. Well, I know.
This is so bad. This is so disrespectful.
Yeah, it's so disrespectful.
So bad and disrespectful. This is so bad and out and disrespectful.
night, you're supposed to lie down tired. My man's supposed to bring some nice breakfast with a nice piece of white rose or red rose. Say, baby, last night I something there. Quick cocky, be a pussy muscle. But it seems like say my man just same thing and gone and left you on Saturday. All up my blood.
Well, hello at him. He ain't there. He ain't yesterday. Hold on.
You not answer the call. You hope you have me over yes and dead in you have me a dead laugh. The way oh you had manipulate then you can tell the lie then that go out with something.
That the day before with you, Derek, come here you play that.
Yeah, that meant was listen so much people more and then get the idea say it's not entertainment entertaining him. Hold on.
You not answer the call. You hope you have
No, I play this one time and done. I'll come out for the live.
This is very disrespectful. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. I can't stroll up and see the rest of the comment them.
Yeah, them are disgusting behavior in my inbox. Alright, my name. You say block the man. First and foremost, I say you never used to come in my inbox, you know. And when you might try to get Janet jealous, he might try to do what he might try to do. So that's why I just play at the same time. But anyways, my friend said if you come out for the live, that's all. Alright, sorry. I don't say I cuss and I cuss later.
We now cuss, so that's a clear the ear and you know everybody blood act. Nobody now cuss. Me now
Yeah,
cuss.
because just like how Darren feel like the need for come talk about it, you have the need for come and talk about it too.
And you hear the message them when I leave. You hear the message them when the man I leave.
Exactly.
So the people, 160 people they on the live. And you hear the things them the dirty man I say, and me and the man though I've never have no talking, on listening now. Him take it from go on him live. In a direct inbox, these things it has to adjust because a new wickedness in come with.
Yeah.
A new wickedness in come with. And all something what we hear before. These things is new wickedness, new manipulation, new things in come with.
And then him and then him come back again. And everybody just watch it and him carry on and carry on. And Erica come number one.
He know what he's doing, share. Him know.
Everybody would have
we know say only don't believe, but I had to say something because every day now you got a text said for my name. And I sit down for my name like back package rag. And the ear Puss come here from Jamaica, she hear rumor. And him tell her things. Come on now, I had to adjust it. I had to clear my name.
If you go say to yourself, say then where is Erica come clear her name. I make this man stop calling her name because I say all of these things. And
yeah, I'm trying to play away, but we one step ahead of him.
Yeah.
He is trying to play us, but we are 1 million step ahead of this man. He don't understand him can't play me, come my head screw on for my body, I'm in my right mind. He don't understand so this now go away more than wait the right now. We just say we want to move forward and we don't want to talk about Hugo and this and that because he now come in a new story and be an old story. Okay,
no, we don't believe it. We don't believe it.
Thank you, Brassy. Thank you very much. It needed to be adjusted because this is something new. This is something new. It's like
I love you, and you know you me love long time, and me that you should have did that.
And what they ask want, and all those things. This needs to be adjusted.
I want to know.
Condole with it.
That's all I want. I want to be blocked off of this live. Everybody should just block him. Everybody that knows it's bullshit should just block him. You know, as women, the only thing we got for weapons are voices. And if our voices are together to say block him and ignore him, I mean about face, like you're in the army. Say nothing, see nothing, admit to nothing. When it comes to Hugo Williams, just block him. Right. Block him.
I'm gonna do that, but this one time we had to set the phone on and let the world know what's saying. Not way my son goes to not try baby man looking behind Puss back. Simple, but we all gonna block him.
Let me just say this, and Puss has to understand as women, we have to defend our reputations and who we are. We understand that you may not be as Puss, but as when it comes to each of us individually, we have to defend ourselves. We have to let him know that you ain't got it like that. To think that you're going to say something about my name to your ex-woman or anything. So Puss, I understand that you don't, you've been saying these games as part of a head game to him, but when women hear our names into stuff with people that's supposed to have been in a relationship, it just doesn't sound right. So Eric's saying
it's to address.
It just clear her
name. She's not saying anything. It looked like she condoled with it. It wouldn't be on our side.
Wanted to clear her name, has the right to. We could just listen to it. He's just going from person to person, and every person has a right to feel how they are. But Puss, in the same token, as how you've been ignoring him, me and you've been on the phone too, and we've been ignoring him for the whole week. Puss ain't say nothing to the man. He's just coming at her every way. And sometimes it does get a lot, and you want to just lash out at him. But I'm telling you, I don't care if it was an atomic bomb. He cannot win on Erica. Point forward, ladies, and everybody who is in a positive.
You definitely not, bro. All right, so now we cleared
to be done.
Diary's name. We cleared through Puss. Puss don't care. Nobody cares. Everybody block him. That's all I'm saying to you, ladies. We get ready to go.
And it's going to happen. We hear you, Sibella. It's going to happen and the argument's done.
Fight. We to fight. Not no man holding the phone talking on his Instagram. We got real life deep stuff to us. We don't have time for this mockery. Block him like a little pestilent rat he is and keep it moving.
Yeah, because it's an obsession going on now, and I'm thinking, Lord, why me? Why me, Lord?
Erica, as a woman in my faith and my belief in Christ, like you know that the devil is going to come in every form imaginable, every day. You know that, right, Snap?
I put the devil back in the tombstone. I roll back the stone. I roll the stone. I put the devil in back in the tomb.
Keep going. You don't let him know that it's a feeling. You don't let him So if you know it's the devil and he's throwing lies, don't give him time for his lies. You can take that time and energy and doing something progressive.
Well, the person said, you're gonna easy them to Erica look healthy. On the bad side of the comment. Nobody know that.
Margani, listen. Let me tell you this, Margani. Nicole, hold on. Let me tell you this, Erica and Margani, whatever. Well, Margani, so let me tell you this, Erica. Let me tell you what you go do. Hold on, Margani. Let me tell you what you go do. My man can go for auntie, for sister, like go look anybody, entertain anybody now. Listen. Erica, hold on, Erica.
I'm entertaining it and think this might be a joke, but I'm trying to tell y'all the truth.
Erica, listen up. Callin said, Erica, we can't talk the same time because I look like we argue. Well, Morgan said make sense. Listen this, Erica. Listen this. Remember the night before he come out for diary and diary not entertain. But when
that's not true. That's not true.
When me talk about entertain, when me say diary no say I just fuck cream attack. Erica, you know it's fuck cream attack. I'm gonna tell you say because Tanya been said, me tell Erica what I say this Nicole. What I say this anything Tanya said about the mackerel, all this you go start to saying that. Did I say that to you, Erica?
Yeah, you said that.
Did I say that to Erica saying he's a proxy? So anything his sister say want to be confirmed. So what he do, he use that weapon to make it fit in the criteria and fit the puzzle. Didn't I say that to you, Erica?
Mm-hmm.
So when this man come out and I do Erica, him say, my mind come on, man, what better than that? He go for a 16-year-old. And the 16-year-old never hurt up my head. When he draw for pregnancy. Well, I Nicole, that never hurt up my head. So what am I do now? Him can go up and down like go look anybody, you know, we care fucking up. We care zero, but because we want to, he want to come over here because he want to be seen. This is a narcissist behavior I build up, you know. He want to be seen because as me say, he might try to. I realize that you are fully certified madman, and I say time to drop my blood clot sacks. And let me tell you something, Hugo.
He's a madman, ladies. We ignore madmen, don't we?
But you know what? Puss, I hear Darius said he was doing all of these things.
I'm coming down.
Her name when you and him was together and it was in Jamaica. It was somebody party. And she said from them time she hear me call up the name diary.
No. Tell them without tell a lie for me. And that's a lie with diary.
Not well, we don't know if your name was together, but she said that him did not do those type of things and I
No, there's nothing like that what diary said. No, it's not lie. Diary is not that. Remember me when we come back to England and you gonna never know me come back to England. Listen, we are dealing with facts, you know, we do fucking facts story. When we come back to England, you gonna know me come back to England. When you go find out say me come back to England and call me say he nearly kill himself and blah blah blah. Remember when he come on this Sunday, you know, him go up on him little friend Shannon live and diary them. And Tanya then laid over that live. Come on, come talk truth, man.
Oh, well,
and then go over there. Listen, man. And it go over there. And Daria said to him, and him go on the live, and Daria then join the live because remember, so we were a rival. And Daria, Daria said, he didn't know, so she named Daria or nothing. She just go on randomly and I say, hey, Hugo, baby. And him say, me have my wife. And she said, oh, I know her, I don't care. And him I say, okay, baby, but I have my wife already, and I'm not looking nobody. Remember, the man, come with the truth and facts, the man. Remember, you know,
hold on, Sibella come off. Diary wanna come on.
Yeah, make Diary come on.
Remember, you know, hold on, you know. Remember, you know, Diary said to him, say, but you go, you look nice and whatever. And he say, oh, me have a woman. And
come up, hold on. Diary wanna come.
So he say, oh, we have, and then I say, it was, remember the live is there and Candy Live show, go and watch it. And he say to Diary, say, oh, me have a woman.
She did say something to him.
Diary, right?
Yes, she come up. No, I did, no, she go on his live. Diary go on his live. And she say, oh, where you say, baby, and where she say, oh, I like you, go something like that. And him say, oh, me have my woman. He said that. That was it. Me not entertain because I know that was fucking.
Hold on.
Explain it.
First, everything you just said is 100% right and factual. Because you said that.
Okay.
Never said that.
No, me hear you say him did that say so him did that call up the diary name from the time there. That the hear you said.
Everything what just says exactly what I said and Puss you are
okay. Come on, know that diary was said because that's what happened.
Him did call up your name from them time there.
No, I don't think she could have said my call up and she just said.
I said, Puss is 100% right. The way your verb it a while ago was incorrect and inaccurate. So
that's
what
right.
Puss says what I was saying.
No, whatever. And he did a call up your name.
No, we Puss.
Understand? So I said, come on, come clear it up and explain all the part that they go.
All right, Nicole, stick up him. There, one night told him I blew.
When he's nothing to clear up because I understand that you got where my child do. My child play divide and conquer. So he might try to test out the weakest link to see if he can start an argument between him and Puss. He is his sister. And plus, him used to there with Puss him for every single trick and trade for trying to get friendship for break. You see, as it relates, no, say I laugh of time. When he come on my live, I be a laugh, he laugh and say, yo, y'all laugh funny. I laugh after you because there's no that take my time.
But Diary, let me ask you a question then. Let me ask you a question when you're done talking.
Only problem I have with Hugo is when he try to call me like 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock. I live with a man, so therefore I can't entertain him during those hours. But after those hours, when I wake up and I'm careless, I am going to entertain him because guess what? It take a clown to entertain in our circus. And show me have a big old circus over here so the crowd can always come entertain me. If you don't know what I mean. So only enough to make sure you understand why Erica have to come talk to a Puss to be honest.
Okay, well
no, I don't go plus.